Truck cooking with trucker slice steak and shrimp over cornbread patties with a sauce.
Today is literally 3 years that my mom's been gone. Y'all post RIP Mama Towler in there. Last name is Towler. Post that RIP Mama Towler. Or you can post RIP Granny. But I am making her cornbread recipe. I've already got the cornbread mixed up. I'm making cornbread patties with a shrimp and garlic onion sauce over the cornbread with steak on the side. So here we go. The cornbread is pretty much just a regular cornbread recipe. You can find it on pretty much any site. There we go. About a half a cup of the cornbread mix. Now we're back. You see the shrimp right here? I'm gonna add the seasoning and everything and get it cooking once these get done. Alright, y'all, we got the butter in. Got about a half a stick of butter. We're gonna put some onions in. Put some onions in, just a little bit, but not a lot. Of course, we need some salt. Some pepper. Some paprika. And then we'll put the garlic in a little bit. We gotta get that sauce going. Actually, you know what? I do need some flour. A little bit of flour, just thicken it up a little bit. Today, y'all, like I said, today is my mom's death day. As y'all see, miss you, Mom, love you. This dinner is for you.
You a different kind of motherfucker.
Alright, we're gonna put some mushrooms in.
And they call you a weirdo, but in this situation, weird because we
Sorry,
can
hold on.
The masters that say you're
I'm gonna turn that down real quick. I put some mushrooms in. We already got the salt, pepper, paprika in. Oh, the garlic. Alright, we're gonna put the garlic in. There we go. We're gonna let that saute up. We're gonna let the cornbread cook.
don't do none of that.
Alright, y'all, we back. We're just gonna put some half and half in this. Just thin it out a little bit. That's it. Alright, y'all, we put these are sirloin steaks, medallions in. We're gonna put some garlic salt. Some black pepper. And then I'm gonna flip them over and do the same thing on this side. Alright, y'all, we back. We about to plate this up. Y'all see we got the steak here. That's my last piece of cornbread. And then we got the other 2 pieces of cornbread right here. You know, put those right on there. Right on top. Steak goes right on top of there. Alright, we got the shrimp right here. Put the shrimp right on top. There we go. We got the cornbread patties with a shrimp and steak with a garlic chili sauce. We gotta taste test for the TikTok. Let's go.
Oh my God.
Everything made from scratch.
Dude, that's amazing. You damn good what you do.
The cornbread patties are made from scratch. It's homemade cornbread.
I'm about to shovel that in my face right now.
Hey, I was just about to go inside to the truck stop and do a taste test in there because that's how I promote my channel.
God.
I just started doing TikTok like a year ago, and I got like 3,000 followers so far.
Nice.
But I think they like
really
it.
Good.
I've been thinking about doing something like that too.
Oh, I cook everything in my truck from scratch. I don't do box recipes or none of that.
I cheat a little bit.
Oh, I can't. Well, I'll be honest, today is my mom's death anniversary. I lost my mom 3 years ago.
Yeah.
And she started me cooking when I was 7 years old.
Aw.
So this is how I honor her name.
I understand that.
Yeah.
I spent 23 years in the restaurant.
Oh, okay.
I cheat when I can.
But you guys enjoy. That's your dinner.
I will. Thank you so much. That's amazing. That's amazing.
All right, you guys have a blessed day.
All right, you too.